In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the SEO URL slug for a product in your Wix store. This is a crucial step in ensuring that your website is optimized for search engines, allowing potential customers to find your products more easily. By customizing the URL slug, you not only make the link more readable and relevant, but also enhance your store's online presence significantly. To get started, first open up Google Chrome on your computer. This will be your browser for today's task as it reliably supports all the features we need for using the Wix platform. Once you're in Chrome, head over to wix.com, where you'll need to log into your Wix account. Be sure to use your login credentials and double check them to avoid any inconvenience. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the familiar Wix dashboard. Now, from the dashboard, navigate to the Store Products section. This is where you'll find a list of all the products you're currently offering on your site. Go through your list and select the product whose URL slug you want to edit. It's important to have in mind which product needs a URL optimization, perhaps based on recent analytics or customer feedback. Once you've selected the product, you'll be directed to its details page. Here, look for the SEO tab. Usually, it's prominently displayed among other tabs like pricing, inventory, and logistics. Click on the SEO tab, which is where we'll be focusing our efforts today. In the SEO settings, you'll find the URL slug field. This is what you'll edit to match your desired URL. What you want here is a concise, descriptive slug that captures the essence of your product. For instance, instead of something generic like product 123, you might go for something more descriptive if you're selling a red dress, like red cocktail dress. It's vital to keep the slug as short as possible while still being descriptive, as this aids in better search engine optimization and ensures easier recall for your customers. After you've carefully edited the URL slug to your satisfaction, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save option, usually at the bottom or top right corner of the page, and click it to ensure no work is lost. This is a crucial step to cement those changes and bring them live. But wait, there's one final critical action to perform: publishing your site. This last action ensures that all your updates, including the newly edited URL slug, are visible to the public and adequately reflected on your live site. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've now optimized a product URL on Wix, contributing to better performance in search engine results and enhancing your site's accessibility to potential customers. Thanks for tuning in and happy optimizing.